Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me start registering video without having the further ado. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 1st June 2025, and today is Sunday. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of first day of the month, that is 1st June 2025, and today is Sunday, right? So let's start today's routine video without having any further ado. So basically today, first of all, I wake up, then after that I wash my mouth, then after that I study, right? Then after that I drink milk with Bournvita, right? So taste of childhood, right? Then with biscuit, right? Also, then after that I ate food, then after that I talked to my parents, right? Then after some time later I ate food with mummy, right, with my mother. Then after that I went for the sleeps, right? So basically the thing is, what actually happened, um, the laptop the laptop, there was some issue of laptop, so I had done with the laptop today. But then after that I came home, then after that I talked to my mother, then after that I made sattu, right? So yes, then after some time later I ate food, and also I ate mango. Then after some time later I went for the sleep, right? So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened today. Now I am going to revise the chapter of shares, that is corporate accounting. Now, types of preference shares. First is cumulative or non-cumulative. Cumulative, entitled to get a year or preference dividend up to 3 years. The amount which is not paid of the year, which will be back to the that year when the profit happens. Maybe I think so. And non-cumulative, it is opposite to cumulative, right? Now, participating or non-participating. Participating is right to participate in surplus profit, right? And non-participating is the opposite of participating, right? Surplus profit is the extra profit, right? Now, convertible or non-convertible. Convertible, who can convert into equity shares. Non-convertible, who cannot convert into equity shares. Redeemable or irredeemable, to whom company has to repay, that is redeemable. Irredeemable is to whom company has not to repay, right? Redeem means repay. Okay, so yes guys, so in India, preference shares are to be redeemed within 20 years. Okay, so now basic concept. So face value or nominal value. Minimum value of one share as mentioned in memorandum of association. One share is equal to rupee 10. Issue price, the price at which company issues the shares to public. Issue at par. Uh, Face value is rupee 10. Issue price is rupee 10. That is issue at par. Issue at premium, face value is rupee 10 and issue price is rupee 250. Issue at discount, face value is rupee 10, issue price is rupee 6. As per the Companies Act 2013 has prohibited this, only exception in sweat equity share. In Hindi I have written, आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग, जो कंपनी अपने एम्प्लॉय को खून पसीने मेहनत से काम करने की वजह से सस्ते दामों में देती है. ओके, स्वेट इक्विटी शेयर. ओके, ओके, इशू ऑफ शेयर्स इन लंप सम. ओके, वन शेयर इज इक्वल टू रupee 10. इन हिंदी आई हैव रिटन एक साथ पूरे पैसे, राइट, विच इज हैव टू पे, राइट. इशू ऑफ शेयर्स इन लंप सम. ओके, issue of shares in installment. So application money, allotment money, first call money, second and final call money, second or final call money, right? So now basically this is a thing what has actually happened till yet. Now, important points to remember. 1 share is equal to rupee 10, right? Now, application money, allotment money, first call money, second call money. Okay. In हिंदी आप रिटर्न शेयर्स फॉरफिटेड करने के बाद जो ₹3 फॉर एग्जांपल एप्लीकेशन पर मिला था, तो ये कंपनी का इरेगुलर प्रॉफिट है तो ये कंपनी का कैपिटल प्रॉफिट में काउंट हो और ये कैपिटल रिजर्व में ट्रांसफ़र होता है. शेयर्स फॉरफिटेड कैन ऑल्सो बी री इशूड whole it has a whole chapter reissued, right? Maybe I think so. Now, accounting journal. Application money received when, right? When application money received. So in case of application money received, so on the date of application, so basically amount received, bank account debit to share application account, right? Now, application money transferred to share capital, that means on the date of allotment, right? Share application account debit to share capital account, right? So bank account debit to share application account, so a share application account debit to share capital account, so bank account debit to share capital account, okay. Cash account debit to share capital account, right? Company is asking allotment money due. In Hindi here I have written पैसे मांग रही है on the date of allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share allotment account. Now, in first call, share first call account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share first call account. So yes, some entries 5 and 6 will be done for second call. When shares are issued at premium, then securities premium reserve account is credited below share capital account. Share capital account is always credited with face value. When question says prepare cash book, then we will not pass journal entries involving bank account. Rather, we will prepare cash book, bank column only. Okay. Basic conceptual examples. Issue of shares at par. So here is some examples which is I know. So in these some examples. Okay, in case of arrear here is also, so I am just also revising the example. X Limited issued 10,000 shares of ₹10 each to the public, payable as ₹3 on application, ₹2 on allotment, and balance on first and final call. So 3 application, 2 allotment, and 5 on first call. Bank account debit to share application account 30,000. So received 30,000. Now share application account debit to share capital account 30,000. Share allotment account to share capital account, bank account debit to share allotment account, share first call account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share first call account. Issue of share at par. So share application and allotment account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share application and allotment account, bank account debit to share application and allotment account to share application account, share application and allotment account debit to share capital account. So now issue at premium, which is the SPR, security premium reserve account, which we have to open on that time, right? So application, allotment, first call, basically it is similar 355, and in the last call there is a 5 rupees of premium. So bank account debit to share application account debit to share capital account, share allotment account debit to share capital account, bank account debit to share capital, share allotment account. Now share first call account debit, the amount which is 5 is premium, 2 is face value. So 7 multiplied by the amount. 7 multiplied by the amount. So to share capital account, face value ₹2, and to security premium reserve account 5 multiplied by 10,000. Okay. Now bank account debit to share first call account 70,000. So this is the key structure of its, which is I am telling you, and to the upcoming videos I will learn the examples of calls in arrear, right, and calls in advance, and after that we will jump to the topic of oversubscription of shares. So this is all, guys, what is actually happened, and yes, so as I already told you, this is the first day of the month, that is 1st June 2025 days of routine video, right? So yes, and this is all guys what is actually happened. So I think that guys it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you Radhe. Bye bye.